Nickname is Nikki, but my name ain't Nicole. Name ain't Nicole.
Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Friday. That means it's Face Chart Friday. Today's face chart is definitely me being out of my comfort zone 100%. I don't do neutral or natural looks. I'm not skilled in neutral or natural looks. I don't even know what that means, natural look. Because I guess my natural looks are very colorful, and apparently I look like a rainbow naturally. I don't know. But this one was chosen by a special friend. He wants to see me in a natural look. It's not gonna last long though. I'm gonna film this video, take that off, and do my final Bad Boys of Disney look, which is not natural in the least. So yeah, you get 2 for 1 today. If you follow me on Instagram, you get 2 for 1. So with all that being said, I always do a poll. I did a poll on Instagram because he chose 2, and one of them won. The one that won is the one I'm going to be doing. So enough talking, let's get started. And this is the finished look. It feels so weird. Like, there's barely any color on my eyes. I mean, mine is underneath here, the dark color, because, yeah, had to give the effect of longer lashes, because I'm not putting any lashes on my lower lash line. They're long enough, you just can't see them. But, this looks so weird. I look like, first of all, I look like a doll, and I think that's because well, I didn't use white. I used like a tan beige color liner, cream liner, on the lower lash line, and then the dark underneath. I look like a doll. Then again, in the picture, she looks like a doll. And her lashes were really long. And these are my natural lashes, and they're naturally long, which is why I didn't put any false lashes on. I can't stop blinking. I don't know why. This is weird. Yeah. Oh, the mini lip was from ColourPop. The shade is called Beeper. I've never worn it before. I've used it on a friend before. It's alright. It's okay. It's a little light for me, which is why I added the Fenty gloss to make it a touch darker, because light lipsticks on me, yeah, no, just no. But I am pleasantly surprised that I did a sort of natural look, but my eyes also look, that's the thing, my eyes look really big. They look so big, and then they're going to look bigger for the final look that I'm going to do. And yes, for the final look, I'm going to work like that. You're going to have to wait till later to see it on my Instagram. If you follow me on Instagram. For friends on Facebook, you're going to have to wait till later to see it on Facebook and Snapchat. That's it for the video. I'm going to take pictures of this, take this, just this part. Well, no, I don't need to take it off, actually. Add more to this part, and then go to work. I will see you next time. Bye.